Hundreds of students at Pakistan's Quaid-i-Azam University have been conducting extensive research on traditional Chinese medicine. The belief that TCM can significantly improve Pakistan's healthcare system, offering a cost-effective solution with minimal side effects. To promote detailed knowledge and research about TCM, the university offers courses in Master of Science and PhD in the field. Professor Mushtaq Ahmad, head of the Plant Sciences Department, successfully produced a TCM drug using the peony medicinal plant to treat epilepsy. He's now collaborating with local pharmaceutical companies for its clinical trials and production.
Pakistan and China share a number of common medicinal plants which are used in traditional Chinese medicine. So Pakistan have a great potential for medicinal plants that are used in traditional Chinese medicines. About 3,500 medicinal plants that are common in Pakistan and they are also found in China. So there is a great potential for new generation.
Iqra Qayyum is a student pursuing a PhD degree from the university. After studying TCM during her master's degree in plant sciences, she realized how the women in her village could utilize these remedies in a more scientific way to reap greater benefits.
Some sort of Pakistanis are also belong to remote areas and who women don't have much access to clinical scales. So we are practicing these traditional Chinese medicines.